Gaming monitors have come a long way, and the LG Ultragear 39GX900A-B is a perfect example of just how far. This 39-inch OLED curved monitor combines eye-popping visuals, super-fast response times, and next-generation gaming technology to create an experience that's immersive and exhilarating. The first thing that stands out is the OLED display itself. With WQHD resolution of 3440 by 1440 and a sharp 800R curve, this monitor completely wraps around your field of vision. The deep blacks and high contrast that OLED provides make colors pop and shadows feel incredibly detailed, delivering a cinematic experience whether you're gaming or watching movies. Performance is where this monitor truly shines. The panel boasts an ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time and a 240 Hz refresh rate, which translates into fluid motion and near-instantaneous reaction for every input. Competitive gamers will notice the difference immediately. Fast-paced shooters, racing games, and action-packed titles all feel more responsive and smoother than on conventional displays. The monitor also supports NVIDIA G-SYNC and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, which means tearing and stuttering are practically eliminated regardless of your graphics card. This creates a seamless visual experience, letting you focus entirely on the game without distractions. Connectivity is robust and versatile. HDMI 2.1 ensures next-gen console compatibility, DisplayPort 1.4 caters to high-end PCs, and the USB-C port allows for both display and power in a single cable, keeping setups clean and minimal. The build itself is modern and minimalistic, featuring a strong metal stand while also being VESA-mount compatible for flexible placement options. Another key feature is the anti-glare coating. OLED screens tend to reflect light more easily, but LG's implementation significantly reduces reflections without sacrificing color accuracy. This makes it easier to use in bright rooms or for longer periods, making it a good choice for both gamers and content creators. HDR performance is another standout aspect. True Black OLED technology gives every pixel precise brightness control, which means shadows, highlights, and HDR content look dramatic and lifelike. Explosions, neon lights, and in-game environmental effects are rendered with amazing clarity and depth, giving a much more immersive experience than standard LCD monitors. Input lag is exceptionally low, ensuring that every command translates on screen almost instantly. This responsiveness is crucial for competitive gaming, but it also benefits any fast-action title. While OLED can sometimes be prone to burn-in, LG has incorporated features like pixel shifting and automatic screensavers to minimize the risk. For the majority of users, this is not a concern. Overall, the LG Ultragear 39GX900A-B combines speed, visuals, and ergonomic design into a single package. It's a monitor that doesn't just look impressive. It performs at a level that can elevate any gaming setup. From fast-paced competitive games to cinematic HDR experiences, this OLED monitor is designed to impress both visually and technically. For those looking to upgrade their gaming setup, this monitor is an excellent choice. It offers next-generation technology, stunning design, and the immersive experience that only a 39-inch curved OLED can provide. The link to check it out or purchase is in the description.